Welcome. In this video, we'll show you the basics, from beginner to expert. We'll have tips, tricks, and hacks to help you along in your new Cricut journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cricut tips and tricks. Want to skip to a section? Just skip to the chapter you want. Let's get started. So when you pull up Cricut Design Space for the very first time, you'll need to create a Cricut account. It's free to sign up. There's so much you can do within this space for free, such as images, shapes, phrases, fonts, and design templates. I'm using the paid Cricut Access plan, which lets you use more images, fonts, and features within Design Space. Cricut Access also gives you exclusive discounts on Cricut machines, vinyl, and tools on their website. Here you have your home and canvas. You'll spend the most time in the Canvas tab, but I'll quickly go over a few things in Home. You have a few tabs on your left. Discover tab is where you can find inspiration for projects. The My Stuff tab has all of your bookmarks, projects, and uploaded content. The Get Started tab has tutorials and exercises you can do to help learn your Cricut better. The Cricut Learn tab has tutorials and in-depth courses to help you learn your Cricut better. The Heat Guide tab is my go-to for any iron-on projects. Just select your transfer material, then select your base material, click Apply, and it will show you the heat settings you need for this project. The Shop tab takes you to Cricut Shop, where you can find new Cricut machines, materials, lighting, and tools you may need. The new Navigation tour shows you around the space when they update software. Now we have the Canvas tab. As I said before, this is where you'll spend the most time. There are a few different ways to create designs. You can upload your own design, use a project in Design Space, create your own out of images, text, and shapes, or create your own shape using the tools in Design Space. I'll go over the left side of the screen so you can understand the tools better. You have new templates, projects, shapes, images, text, phrases, editable images, upload, and monogram. The New tab lets you begin a new project. Make sure to save any project you're working on, or replace it with the blank canvas. The Templates tab lets you use a template for any project you're designing. When you choose a template, it lets you choose the type and size. For this candle, you can choose tall or wide, and the size is small, medium, large, or custom if you know the dimensions you need. I typically create my own template or guide so that I can easily move, hide, or change the dimensions I need to. To do this, just select a shape, unlock the size, and change the operation to guide. The Projects tab lets you explore projects you want to make. The Shapes tab lets you choose a shape you want. The top is free shapes and the bottom is paid or free with Cricut Access. The Images tab lets you search for an image you want. You can filter by free or browse all images. Don't forget, with Cricut Access, you have access to almost all of the paid images. The Text tab lets you insert text. You can change the font, style, size, and even align. We'll go into this tab more in another video. The Phrases tab has common phrases you may want to use in your project, even this goofy one. The Editable Images tab has templates you can alter, such as this heart with a name, or this Queen of Crafting. You can change the name or crafting to be something else, such as Kevin or sewing. The Upload tab is where you can upload your own image or project you created elsewhere. Lastly, the Monogram tab. Enter the initials of the name you want to monogram. Select classic or thematic in operation type, cut and draw, and select your favorite style at the bottom to add it to your canvas. Click the next video for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's on their Cricut journey. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next.